Hi, are you here for an Uber?
Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Good. What's the name on the account?
Harley?
Okay. Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
Oh, I love your car.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I just got it.
Yeah, I'm actually trying to get one myself.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I mean, it's kind of a lot of money, but...
I know, but I'm an model, and I've kind of been making a lot of money lately, so...
You
saving up.
You do old...
Yeah, do you?
The door's not shut. No. I mean, I've heard about it, but I didn't know, like... I never met anybody. Like, do you do pretty good on that?
Pretty good. I'm in the top 1%.
The top 1%?
Yeah.
I was just reading an article about that. If you're in the top 1%, doesn't that mean you're making like 80,000 a month or something?
Yeah, I mean, like, at least.
You make $80,000 a month?
A little more.
You make literally more than doctors and surgeons.
I mean...
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And you probably have no talent. You just like signed up and just started doing that. Like you probably literally no skills.
I mean, have you ever... Are you model? I mean, it takes...
No, but I mean, you don't need any talent to do that. Just everybody doesn't need a job anymore. Just do all.
It's pretty hard work. I mean, I go to shoots every day, sometimes like 8 hours.
Yeah, you just show up, you just do your thing. It's like not, I mean, you're not like doing manual labor or anything, hard labor.
I mean, honestly, I feel like you should try it out and just see how much work is put into it.
I think I'm okay.
I have a shoot tomorrow, and honestly, like, you have the looks for it. I feel like you're gonna fall in love with it and just quit Uber, honestly.
You're inviting me to your shoot?
Yes.
How, I mean, what's the pay? What'd you do? You just cancel the ride?
No, that was a text message from my friend. Why are you getting so aggressive?
Show me your phone. Somebody just cancel the ride.
I didn't cancel the ride.
Are you trying to scam me for a free ride?
Press something. No,
Show me your phone.
I'm not showing you my phone. I have personal
Open your phone and
information on here.
You just cancel the ride.
You have no right to look at my phone.
You know what? You want to play? Two can play this game.
Where are you? This isn't the right way.
Yeah, there's a police station right up here.
You're not taking me to the police station.
It's right around the corner. Yeah, you're scamming me, and
I'm not scamming you.
This has happened to me before.
You have no proof that I'm scamming you.
This happened to me before, and I wasted my time. I'm not doing this again. You're scamming me. Police, they can handle you. They can take you out of my car. They can do whatever they want with you. I don't care at this point.
No, please, like, we really can't go to the police station.
All right, it's right up here.
My parents.
Hey.
My parents.
Hey, cop.
My parents.
Hey, right here. I got her.